Thank you for watching my version of Chicken Coop TV. It's evening time and hens are coming in to roost into the chicken coop. The first hens in get to have their choice of the roost, and there's quite a few of them. The barred rocks, which you see in the picture, are they choose the upper roost, and the white, more heavy chickens choose the lower roost, the one where you see down below there where the lower chicken is on. Alright, enjoy. Okay, it's evening. You notice up on the top there's light coming in. That's a 2-pane sunglass, like 6 foot by 6 foot. There's the rooster. I have 8 white chickens and 14 black chickens, barred rock. The white chickens are about 9 to 10 pounds, and so I'm amazed that this white chicken is going to fly all the way up to the top perch where the barred rock like to perch. Normally right about where the black and the white chicken are now, that's where the white ones perch, because they're 9-10 pounds and they don't trust themselves to jump. But this one's quite amazing. 9 pounds, and he's going to get all the way to the very top. There he goes. The other white ones, you won't see them climbing more than 3 inches at a time without a lot of headache. They just don't trust themselves. Now watch, he's going to fly up to that bird. Now here's a board across there from the nesting box over to the top perch. Gives the barred rock an extra way to get over there, so they like using that. Alright, the night vision just came on. This is the security camera, as you know. Chickens are 5 months old today. Born, they were born on 5/1, so that would be 10/1, yeah, 5 months old. While we're waiting here on the right-hand side, this door will automatically close at 7:47. Here comes the rooster. He hurt his left leg, so he's hopping around, subdued a little bit. Anyway, back to the door. The feather, the white and black feather that you see on the door on the right, is the indicator whether the door is open. There's a couple of white feathers, one high and one low. That shows open or closed of the door. And of course the thermometer shows 70 degrees. It's down to about 51 degrees this time of year. They can fly quite a bit, those barred rock. They're only like 5 pounds at the most right now. They're still growing, 5 months old. They haven't started laying eggs yet. And now this rooster, he's the one on the right. There, he just flew over. You'd notice earlier he was complaining to that other chicken, the other hen, that she was in the way. But he managed to get up to his perch. I don't think he broke his leg. I think he sprained it or hooked it on something. Okay, here the automatic chicken door closes. Put that in about 3 months ago. And so far it has only protected the chickens against the harmless cats of the night. But raccoons and skunks are a potential threat. I haven't seen them yet. Okay. I gave a cat to my mom and dad. This is the mother of that kitten. And the kitten was raised by my dog Van, in the sense that the cat became dog friendly. So when I gave it to my parents, naturally it loved their dog and is still having a great time up there at my parents. Here's the door opening. Chickens come out. Right here at the bottom there's a chicken bath. It's a small one. Out in the field they have a large chicken bath underneath a pickup shell. I want to keep it dry. I don't think a bath should be getting wet with the rain and sprinklers, so I put a cover over it. It can get all dusty under there and it'll stay dry. This one I'm going to have to figure out, this one right here at the bottom, a small one, I'm going to have to figure out how to keep it dry because the roof will rain on it. It'll pour water down on it. As the season progresses, they will be getting up later in the morning and going to bed earlier at night. I have yet to come across the chicken laying, the egg laying schedule, so I don't know what's going to happen there. I may have to keep them in for a little bit longer in the morning. I'm going to have to teach them where to lay their eggs. They don't know that yet. I do hear them beginning to squawk like a chicken does when it's laying an egg, so they're getting close. I Again, this is a security camera. I have a series of security cameras around, so when I'm not home that I can make sure that their door is opening and closing, opening in the morning, closing at night. Alright, well, I still haven't had the rooster come out. There he is. That'll be the last one out. He's looking better. He's still hobbling, but at least he's putting some pressure on that left leg. I think he's getting better. Just a little lopsided at the moment.